of Monimar, led by our school directors, Dr. Lilian S. Roldan, and our school director, Mr. Mario P. Roldan. Breaking barriers, embracing resilience, and celebrating excellence. To join us in the recognition ceremony 2024, today is an opportunity to showcase our appreciation for the success and excellence of each individual. Thank you very much, and long live the students of Monimar Development Academy.
Other parents, teachers, administrators, and to our beloved students, good morning. Today's words cannot express the joy and admiration I feel right now, but I will try my best. My biggest wish is that I always say this, you always believe in yourselves throughout the highs and lows of life. And always be happy. Thank you, my dear Molimarians. Congratulations. Enjoy your vacation. I will see you all in July. God bless us all.
I really love being up here. It's really the culmination of everything, And especially since it's my first one, it's also Magulo's first recognition day, actually being here, living here, and being an official part of the school. And so I'll always have these batch of students will always have a special place in our hearts. Thank you first telling that. Thank you again, Molimarians. Thank you all for being here. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Mission of the school and embodying its core values of excellence, character, and service. This certification is awarded under our seal and signature during the 18th recognition. Ms. De Leon, our guidance advocate, to award awardees in all three departments. Starting with Grade 1 Faith, under the supervision of Miss Elea K. Ampetuan. Ang Y. Jan Celestina Liam Rose C. with honors. Bangon Duchess Raycrease Aphrodite F. with honors. awardees. Next, Ares and Mr. Mario P. Roldan to award the awardees. At this moment, and also Ma'am Lillian. At this moment, it is with great privilege to present to you the awardees of WID High Honors from Elementary Department. Grade 1 of A, Babling Jack Owen D. WID High Honors. Olivia Harmony P. WID High Honors. Shen Johan O. High Honors. Halasan Micaela Elise C. WID High Honors. Reyes Francis Ray H. WID High Honors. Congratulations, grade 1.
Baby, all night, with you and me and shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling.
Thank you, Lord, for all your guidance. Perhaps this day
We make mistakes but we don't quit, by Conrad Hilton. Let us always remember that you cannot achieve success if you just keep on saying and talking about what you want to achieve. You need to take action, you need to move. Well, in the process, don't be afraid to make mistakes because mistakes are part of our lives.
Plans to give you hope and future. Today, we see the fulfillment of this promise to your life. Your journey has not been without challenges. Yet,